What is a cover note? A document issued before you receive your driving license. B. A document issued before you receive your insurance certificate. C. A document issued before you receive your registration document. D. A document issued before you receive your MOT certificate. For how long is a statutory off-road notification, SORN, valid? A. Until the vehicle is taxed, sold or scrapped. B. Until the vehicle is insured and MOT'd. C. Until the vehicle is repaired or modified. D. Until the vehicle is used on the road. What is the maximum fine for driving without insurance? A. Unlimited. B. £500. C. £1,000. D. £5,000. A police officer asks to see your documents. You don't have them with you. Within what time must you produce them at a police station? A. 5 days. B. 7 days. C. 14 days. D. 21 days. You have third-party insurance. What does this cover? A. Damage to your vehicle. B. Fire damage to your vehicle. C. Flood damage to your vehicle. D. Damage to other vehicles. A new car will need its MOT test when it's how old? A. 1 year. B. 3 years. C. 5 years. D. 7 years. What is the legal minimum insurance cover you must have to drive on public roads? A. Third party, fire and theft. B. Comprehensive. C. Third party only. D. Personal injury cover. You claim on your insurance to have your car repaired. Your policy has an excess of £100. What does this mean? A. The insurance company will pay the first £100 of any claim. B. You'll be paid £100 if you don't claim within 1 year. C. Your vehicle is insured for a value of £100 if it's stolen. D. You'll have to pay the first £100 of the cost of repairs to your car. You've just passed your practical test. You don't hold a full license in another category. Within 2 years you get 6 penalty points on your license. What will you have to do? A. Retake only your theory test. B. Retake your theory and practical test. C. Retake only your practical test. D. Reapply for your full license immediately. Your car requires an MOT certificate. When is it legal to drive it without an MOT certificate? A. Up to 7 days after the old certificate has run out. B. When driving to an MOT center to arrange an appointment. C. When driving the car with the owner's permission. D. When driving to an appointment at an MOT center.
Hi guys, I thought I'd just show you this book to add to your collection. The New Driver's Handbook. It's a 3-in-1 book and it's got some pretty good reviews from a driving examiner and a driving instructor. It has over 800 practice theory test questions, common driving test faults, driving test general tips, and advice on dealing with nerves on the big day. Finally, it has tips for after you've passed your test, including vehicle maintenance and driving abroad. You can find a link to this book in the description below. Now, back to the video.